Good afternoon, lovely people. Missed by 10 minutes for good morning. Not even then uni hoti. So this is the current position of positions. Happy accidents. Let's take a look and see if anything needs adjustment. I'm particularly sure about few stocks which might need adjustment. This one. Let's start from the top. Yeah, so let's take a look. Let's take a look at Greeks. Really balanced. Oh, perfectly balanced. Interesting. So max profit, not we have not reached our target. Break evens are fine as well. Let's take a look at Cipla. Yeah, Cipla is a pharma company. I was a little worried about this one. So P&L wise, yeah, interesting. This is fairly fine. Break evens are fine as well. Coal India, fine. It's balanced. P&L wise, we had not reached anywhere close, and break evens are fine as well for now. Concord. Okay, this one has gone down significantly, but still the deltas are fine. Is it because it is not traded, or is it because no, it's liquid? Let me see here. So it's liquid. It just not. Yes, it's liquid as well. I'm not gonna touch it unnecessarily. So yeah. So this is kind of like yeah. Let's see what do we have here. It does not look to be going up in any way. But it does have support. Open interest is a finicky thing, so this is also yeah interesting. Let's just take a look at closer expiry for things and resistance and resistance, all the way resistance. So now the question arises: do we need to adjust it or not? Let's take a look at graph. It's a bearish graph, clearly. This has been good, so it's trying to be, but it's hitting the resistance and coming down. It might try again. So let's draw our 490 and 600. Adjusting also means that you are so if it breaks this, it might go up really fast. If it does not, it might, try to this was similar, but this was lower. So I'm gonna let it brew for a while, and I'm not going to do anything right now. But yes, this one needs to be kept an eye on. Concord. Okay, so this one is fairly balanced, giving P&L, X profit, break evens are little lopsided but fine. Okay, this one is interesting. So total P&L wise, we are positive. This one is also fine. The break evens are also a little lopsided, but then again, what has happened? Interest. This is also great. Not the open interest, but the behavior of the sensible page. It looks bearish. Changed font or something over here. It seems a little different. Again, because Greeks are not dictating me to do anything right now, so I'm gonna wait. But yeah, these two need some kind of yeah. This is fine. This is actually quite nice. Profit has been given. 1/3 has been completed. Break evens are fine. This is going Hindelco. Oh my god, Hindelco of all stocks. So this goes to show you that uh, option mechanics are different from option. It does not mean if you get burned one, you might get not get burned again, or you might get burned necessarily again. A lot goes on. This is also still fine. It's not into the territory where I want to adjust it. This is kind of nice that how much of this is balancing each other out till now. Um, yeah, so nothing to do here actually. Just want to take a look at uh, the chart to see how actually it is going on. Interesting. So it's kind of, yeah, it's an interesting graph. Let's see. I'm not going to do anything right now on this one as well. Next come Infosys, pretty balanced, giving us some profit, which is fine. IRIDA, whatever this is. What does it do? I forgot. It always feels like something has to do with text. Okay. Interesting. So this one is okay. Deltas are fine for now, so nothing to do. ITC, is it even profitable? Yes. Not prime max. So yeah, not target. This is also fine. Nothing to do in ITC. Let's see India. Okay, today is Tuesday. Interesting. So in IT, sorry, let's see. This is fairly balanced. Next profit, we are going to get like 5K on this one. So we are getting close. This is nice. LT. Okay. Right now, after putting in trades is the longest part of the journey. Now that I have put on trades, all of these will be very short. Either I make adjustment or I don't. If I have to make adjustment, I might have to think a bit, but most of it is delta guided to me. So there's not much I can do. I either cover my losses or either I get off or take profits or take loss. There's only two things to do. So not, I'm trying to say the videos will be shorter. That's all. Hopefully. Oh, interesting. The max profit is very less on this one. Was it because of the deltas? Yes. Because of the two lots. Okay. So we will get like 2K on this one, so we are pretty close. This one, I think a lot of this has to do with. Usually, I don't see profits climbing this fast. I think a lot of this has to do with that I actually picked up stocks with high IV this time around instead of relying just on Nifty 50. Under the pretext key, these are like big names, so these are good quality stocks. This kind of trading has little to do with quality of stock and more about how options behave themselves, especially the IV. Um, that being said, it's really important to keep an eye on how a stock is actually a little bit quality wise, because a lot of manipulation can happen and that can cause wide swings or meme stocks, for example. I'm talking to phantom audience again. Annapurnam, okay. This was, I was very scared. So still, delta-wise, it's balanced. It's perfectly balanced. That's good. This was in negative yesterday. No, that was policy was up. Deltas-wise, it's fine. It's given profit, which is also nice. Nothing much to see. A lot of the market seems to be negative. I need to keep my eye on two stocks till now. It is Tanzing and Concor. Yeah, these two. Um, wow, perfectly balanced. Okay, so that's right. NTPC is also fine. NGC. Oh, NGC. It's fine. Policy bazaar. This one is a little. Still overall, it's fine. Pretty balanced. Okay, last one. So this one is fine as well. Now, profit given. Yes, so everything is fine. Just two stocks that I need to take a cold close attention. Concor is one because it's really getting this side, and if it breaks down, this is still 6% on downside, still fine. Yeah, but otherwise it's fine. And then Hindustan Zinc. These two I need to keep an eye on. This one is climbing into adjustment territory actually. Really. The only reason I'm waiting is because it's about this. I don't know. The reason I'm waiting is because it's still not there where I actually adjust. See, it's climbing back. So that's one of the reasons. The other one, let me just check if this is because of liquidity. Okay, interesting. It's not because of liquidity. So there's plenty liquidity. So it's not because of liquidity. So that's it for now. That's it. I'll just do my own stuff now.